No, it's okay. Come. Hi. How are you guys doing? Welcome to Shabana Jahangir Artistry, and I have a special guest here today.
Hi.
That was a deadly high. Okay, she is Dipshika Pathak.
The tired mother of one.
Hi. Basically, okay, we have to look into the camera there.
Shit. Okay.
Because when we look at ourselves and we film and
This is
people
like my
watch,
first video. So I
yeah,
have
so
no
when
clue.
people watch, they will feel like you have a disconnect.
Oh shit.
So when you look into the camera, it looks like you're looking at them.
Okay.
But it's difficult to look because you always continue to check out yourself.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do her makeup today. I'm going to have some green smoky eyes, and she's been my again long-term friend from college days. So we'll catch up on college. We're going to call out some names of people, and whoever we are calling out,
Should subscribe.
the rule is
Should subscribe.
should subscribe
And
and
share.
share the video so that your friends have to subscribe. That's the reason why we are calling all of you out. So if your name is here and if you have not commented, I'm watching you.
Yeah.
And
yeah,
I'll find you.
We know where you
And kill-
stay.
Yeah, we'll kill you. So let's start first with moisturizing her face. This is going to be a very wholesome video. I'm not going to fast forward any part unless it's very, completely required and it's too long.
We can have some interruptions because my daughter can walk in any time. So let's be prepared
Yeah, so
for
now
that.
I'm just going to, she has dry skin according to me. So I brought just this today. This is Himalaya Rich Cocoa Butter Body Cream. So I'm going to use it on her face. Like nice and generous amount and massage the face.
Nice pampering for a tired mom.
Yeah, I know. You
I need
totally
that.
deserve
Yeah.
it. It's a handful to have a child, and if I show you her, she looks so tiny. Her baby's also so tiny. I don't know where she got the baby out from.
Yeah,
like
she kept wondering how did I push it out.
yeah, she's so thin. Like I really wanted you guys to hear her pregnancy story and how she managed to keep herself this way. Doesn't even look like she gave birth to one. She looks the same.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Except for the ugly part, of course, which no one talks about, postpartum depression.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, yeah. Like I've heard of it, and a lot of my friends talk about
Yeah.
it. I have no clue.
Once you become a mom, then you realize the reality.
So,
So it like hits you on the face, but then it's
So
too
now-
late.
She's extremely fair. She's pink, basically.
So we'll add
In
some more
hostel,
color.
yeah. So in hostel, when we used to talk about her complexion, we were like, pink.
Yeah, it was neither fair nor dusky.
Yeah.
She told I fall in the category of pink.
So we'll have to test like different foundations.
And I'm like a no makeup person. Like I have no clue what these things are called. I don't know what's going on. So I just
Oh,
stand.
this matches. I found a match. What? So I have this nice foundation. I'm
Okay.
skipping primer and a lot of those things because it's night, and I'm sure she'll go to sleep after this.
Oh yeah, I think I'll sleep with the makeup on. I'll be too tired to do. Okay, she'll remove it from me. I'm not going to do it.
Yeah, I'll do it for you. I don't want her to look old now. Like with makeup, you age like.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the foundation brush. I'm going to first dot the foundation, and then I'll buff it out. I'm so glad this matches you so perfectly.
So finding
Because
the
this is my-
perfect foundation is like finding what a perfect match.
Yeah, I think the other girl also would be glad. Because that's the task, like finding the right foundation and the shade and everything. So basically, we were in hostel together. We both studied in Jyotirnagar. She was a statistics student. She was smarter always, and I was a dumb one. And I took history. Yeah, EBA.
So she'll take you back to our history.
How?
How we
And I-
met, what happened.
Yeah, so we met in the hostel, basically.
And both of us were like on the upper bunk.
yeah.
And she just opened her mouth and it closed the next morning. It just she just went on and on and on, and I just like listened and listened and listened. So we were like the perfect match then. She was the talker and I was the listener.
Yeah, totally.
And
Okay.
people were like, God, you do.
How much you girls talk?
Talk, yeah.
Like we used to talk like entire night also. But we were perfect now. If only I was a guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what to do? There's so many girls out there who want to marry me, but yaar, galat parts. Yeah. Perfect. Look up.
Okay.
Yeah. So I am going to put concealer now.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, nice. I'm impressed. But wait, hold up.
Okay, there's lots to do in what's going on.
I
What's
did not do
that?
the mean thing. Partner repellent. What's
Introducing.
that? What? Yeah, this is my lip balm. If you didn't know, and if you were living under a rock, I make lip balms now,
Yes.
and it's called Partner Repellent. But this is a cinnamon flavored lip balm, so I'm going to prep her lips.
So I think you can talk about the goodness
Yeah.
or the benefits of cinnamon also.
That I've done videos. You can go down and
Okay,
watch. This is
sure.
going to be a wholesome
I
video
think you
about
can leave
us.
the links. Yeah,
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
leave
yeah.
the links below.
Yeah.
You will want to know the benefits and all that.
Yeah. So now I'm just going to prep her lips. Oh, it's super dry.
Yeah.
I have some foundation on here. So yeah. It's a fresh new bottle. Is it burning?
But
Huh. So it plumps your lips basically and it repairs damage, makes it soft and supple, and she'll look all juicy.
yeah, I mean Bangalore. I'm living in Kerala now, but Bangalore can get your skin and
Yeah.
your lips so dry, like
Yeah.
super dry. Like and we really need a lip balm.
Yeah. And I think after like our by the time we are 30,
Yeah.
all the oil is out of
Out of
the
the system.
Yes. So now
So we
I'm
need to
going to-
replenish with
Yes.
partner repellent.
So now I'm going to conceal, okay, with a concealer. This is a nice concealer. Look up for this.
Okay.
No. Open your eyes
Yeah.
and look up.
Okay.
She's my first time model. She doesn't do a lot of makeup. She has flawless skin.
I do no makeup.
She only
I
has
know
like
you.
back in the day she only had one lipstick and one kajal.
I
And now
should
बच्चे के बाद तो वो भी नहीं.
have. Yeah.
She's like only बच्चा. Hi my बच्चा. So yeah, look up now. No,
Okay.
When I say look up, you have to open your eyes. Okay. So I'm just concealing the darkness.
The darkness of my life.
Yeah. So we had a room of 6 people in our hostel. And
I mean, now I think 6 would sound so crowded to everybody because now everybody goes for like
We had
1 or 2 at the
Yeah.
max, or
Back
maybe
then.
3. But back then 6 was so cool. Like you know,
yeah.
we were happy about it.
And we had like our own party going. Our room was the worst room in the whole hostel.
Yeah,
I
it was.
think.
It was the messiest, and like you know, I think just to encourage like our room girls to clean up, the warden Miss Monica ma'am, she
Yeah.
introduced like a gift.
Hi, shout out to Miss Monica, ma'am.
Hi.
Like she was the coolest warden I
Yeah,
ever
she was.
had. Yeah.
But back then we gave her a hard time.
But she was so sweet. She was always like a proper mom.
Yeah,
you
she
know?
was. Now
And
that
actually loving her. She was never like the little kitten has come.
yeah, so any
Yeah.
time there will be an interruption.
The interruption is here.
Yeah, this is
Hi.
the pause.
Say Abigail. Abigail. This is the little Abigail. Say hi. Hello. Hi.
Idanda.
Oh.
So what's this?
Yes.
All new.
Basically, this is a Mallu baby.
Nadan.
Yeah.
Nadan.
And
Not my face.
yeah,
Yeah.
so there's makeup on her face.
That's
for
one
the first
reason,
time.
you know, makeup is so hard for mothers because they're constantly touching you
Yeah.
and they constantly.
I think your foundation set itself
Oh, thank God.
because you're so dry.
It just seeped in.
Oh yeah.
My daughter is really amazed the way she's looking at me because she's never seen me with all these things. She doesn't know what's going on, but it all looks very interesting.
And always girls are like when they see the little ones also, na?
Uh-huh.
When they see makeup, they're instantly like
Attractive.
Yeah,
all the
yeah.
colors, all the glitter, what's going on.
yeah. So they like girls are like naturally, I think, born for it.
Yeah.
Like all the glamour is just in the blood. So she's
Now-
going to be a nice supermodel kind of. You know?
Are you?
Look at her hairstyle now itself. Like, you know, so sexy. Hey!
Is it?
And I'm her celebrity auntie Shabana.
Yeah. Oh, she's one cool aunt.
And you know, she already told Auntie Shabana. I was like, oh, she's hardly 2, right? She's hardly 2.
She just turned 2.
Yeah.
Just turned 2. Okay, now she wants to go to Dada.
Dada, yeah.
And again she'll
She's
come to Mama.
She's hyperactive, okay? I'll tell you from where she gets her hyperactiveness, because her mommy is a fitness freak. oh.
Okay.
She's we'll be back. रुकावट के लिए खेद है
There
तकनीकी
could be-
खराबी के वजह
There could
से.
be many interruptions, you know, with a toddler, you
Yeah.
just can't help it.
So this is the mirror, and I wanted her to see how well her
Oh.
face is set.
Wow,
It
finally.
looks
I can't
so
see the dark
natural.
circles and
Yeah, it looks
the
so
sunken eyes have come out.
Yeah, like I feel like even on your wedding, like you know, your makeup was
Yeah, I'm
very
not
minimal,
Yeah, very
yeah.
minimal. I can't, you know,
Yeah.
I just had to keep telling them, okay, this is it. This
and
is
just
enough,
like
this
she
is
always
enough.
had one Sephora lipstick that she liked.
Yeah, that's it.
And that's it. Yeah. So now I'm going to do transition. Where is the other brush? Okay. I don't know how much you like contouring your face. Have you tried contouring?
No, never. So we can try that today, I guess.
Yes, I love contouring, so I'm using something from Sugar. Every video of mine has this. So
Oh.
yeah, I just like this a lot. It's a very light contour. I'm not giving you very harsh lines, but you look nice and sexy. Yeah.
I don't have cheekbones as such. you
So
know,
what
see
our
that.
hostel was Nirmal Niwas.
Yeah, no, no, no.
For people who are wondering which hostel, and we studied in Jyoti Niwas College. Yeah, it was really nice. Like I wish I could go back to that.
To those
Yeah, it was so beautiful.
Back then we were like, oh, you know, like
I don't think we ever have enough appreciation at that time.
Yeah, yeah.
But for some reason, we as roommates, we knew that this is our golden year.
times, These are not going to come back, and you have to make the most of it.
Yeah, and somehow we always were like, who gets to come back? We felt like our room was our actually family kind of
Yeah.
room, and each and every
A
one.
family away from family.
Yeah, we were all like sisters. And Benny.
All of us were
Now,
so
only
different.
today I found out Benny's real name after so many years.
Yeah, she didn't know.
Yeah.
She kept searching by the name of Benny in Facebook,
And
and,
I
she
was
was
like, all these girls, and I was like, all these girls change their names after they get married.
I was like, Benny was always her, like, I think, baptism name. But yeah, so.
Yeah, so shout out to you, Benny. I just sent you a friend request, better accept it. Sulin
Chung.
Chung. Yes. I'm just like, I always was like, I miss her, man, and she was so sweet. She fed me breakfast every morning. And
Yeah, you can tell them about your soaked clothes also.
So I'm the laziest to wash clothes. I'm still lazy, by the way. Not only washing clothes, but I'm always like, I was always
She's
on the
born
lazy
with
side.
that.
Yeah.
There's something always there.
Yes. So I was like lazy, and Deepshika was the one who woke me up. My bed was always a mess. So like when it came to my turn of cleaning the room, I would always run away.
Yeah, so Sana did most of the cleaning in the room. She and Chon did most of the cleaning of the room, and we did the messy.
Yes. Hi Sana, if you ever watch it, we miss you. And Chon, where are you, girl? Like really?
Where is your chutney?
I know she's always making these nice northeast chutneys, like with
Yeah.
chili. She's always with chili or ginger, like
Yeah,
ginger
yeah.
and then
And tomato.
dry fish.
And yeah, with the dry fish chutney, tomato
This
chutney.
is another thing of contouring.
Ooh.
You wanna check out your chiseled cheek?
Yeah, sure.
See, look, just turn this side. You can
Oh wow, what a difference! Like look at this side and look at this side.
see. Yeah, so that's
The power of contour.
makeup. Yeah, it's surgery without surgery.
Yeah.
Now you know how hot you are in college.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, she was the hottest, everybody wanted her. She was the smartest. She was so cool.
all, but at that time, what all I wanted was like food.
Yeah.
books
Oh, you
and
remember you
sleep.
were the papaya queen.
Yeah, I was the papaya queen. So one day we had, we were all broke, and that day there was some
Some
break,
festival.
some
Yeah.
festival, and
And
the
the-
kitchen girls were on a holiday. They were given a holiday, and we didn't have. And by coincidence, like everybody in the room was broke that day, so all the cheapest thing we could afford.
And none of
was
us knew how to
papaya.
cook. We couldn't cook. Yeah.
So I think that time all of not all of us were there. Your sister came over. I remember that.
And hey, Amukuti, Dipshika. My sister and she bonded more. And I was a bad sister.
Oh.
Yeah, I was a bad sister back then. Now I'm the best sister possible. Like, oof, come on. Yeah, but she's nice. My sister's very sweet.
She also has a channel, no?
She used to have a channel. Now
she's
she's
not.
she's more into flying and
Ah.
she's with Qatar. So maybe she might do a travel vlog. I don't know. I hope you do, Amukuti, because she travels a
I
lot.
think you should
now.
also start your own travel vlogs also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was
Move
planning
to
on
the
it. I was planning on the editing is the pain.
She's lazy.
Yeah. So I'll do the jaw first. Because
so,
this side I'll
and
have
do
to.
you remember about the drinking that time when you just started drinking like
Oh,
when
shit,
you
my mother is going to watch. Okay, it's fine. I think now the cat is out of the bag. Too late.
So-
Yeah, we just started.
So-
Everything starts in college and
yeah,
hostel.
in that hostel.
Yeah.
So we that time just maybe a mug of beer could pass her out, and she would be so drunk. And it's so entertaining when she's drunk. She gets all emotional and very dramatic.
And she was the mother of all, no?
And
She
I
was
had to
always the
take
motherly. Yeah.
when they throw up on the floor on me. Ugh.
Now your baby doing that.
Yeah, so I
Come
was
this
already
way, this
trained.
side. I
just
need to see the cheek.
I think
well.
I started my motherly trainings in the hostel itself when
Yeah,
she
you were trained for your kid. This is gonna be a really long video, almost 1 hour. So if you have the patience, stick around, get your coffee, whatever, because we are going down the memory lane. And this video I am making solely because I want to watch it in the future.
because maybe when we are 60, then this will feel like, oh, we were so young. Now we feel so old. Then when we look at this when we are 60, then you will go, oh, at least
No,
we
where are we old? We're fucking young. Okay, sorry for that if kids are watching, but we are goddamn young. Yeah, evergreen. Look at you. Oh my god. Who would even say that you had a kid? And she has a very fancy hairstyle, by the way. We will open her hair in the end.
Oh, but now it's not all that fancy. Now it's really out of proportion. That's why I tied. I need to get it trimmed on the sides. It's grown.
Oh no, but you were always,
I always
now
was
you
up
can
for.
see both the cheeks.
Oh wow! I have cheekbones.
Yeah. You never saw your cheekbones. You always
Yeah.
felt like you were chubby.
Yeah, I did. Compared to my body, my face is a little chubbier.
Not much. Now I'm just I feel like the contour is a little harsh on the camera, so I'm trying to
Okay. Lighten it up.
lighten it up because of I'm using the foundation brush and just because I don't want it to be so harsh.
So we'll talk about the party animal. No? This Ekta.
Oh,
The
hi
youngest.
Ekta! Ekta Rai! Now I don't know which surname does she go by. I have no idea. Ekta Rai is always Ekta Rai for us.
And she was
she's
the wild animal.
Yeah.
The youngest and the wildest of us.
Yeah, and
she would
Miss
drag
Monica
us.
was always, telling Ekta is the naughtiest.
Yeah,
They
Ekta was
always kept
naughtiest.
getting caught. Oh, you have a mole there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So now, I should have, I always have this habit of doing my eyes late and last. But
Today?
whoever is watching, please do your eyes first and then the base, okay? Because if it falls, then Khudai bachaye aapko. Yeah, because it's difficult to clean up later on. So this is I'm using different shades from different palettes because I like those shades, and it's all broken because I've used it so much. So this is a transition shade.
But I like how it all merges and like blends and comes together.
Yeah. That's
It's like painting on somebody's face. It's nice.
Yeah, I think
can't-
I was
I
al-
can't ever pull this kind of thing off. Like it's too difficult for me.
No, but you're like amazing on your own. Ooh, the transition is done. So now time for the green. Okay, this is again an Inglot palette. I wanted to use this green and then not this brush though. I'm so confused with brushes, I'm always looking.
Okay. No, you have the whole stock there.
Yeah. But then somehow, like different brushes do different things, and I
Yeah.
have a
Oh,
habit of
It's a
like,
lot.
yes,
It's confusing. I get it.
yeah. I always have like a lot of brushes. So this one and this shade in it because I just want a blown out green thing here, and then I'll go in with like a full MAC pigmented.
Wow. I wish there was no COVID and we could just go for a girls' night out tonight, like the old days where we had to sneak.
Oh,
out.
sneak out. And those days were landline days.
Yeah,
I don't know if people even remember landlines anymore.
remember?
But and
It was
to
so hard
save
to
our asses, we used to.
unplug the landline.
And
we
I
both
was-
had like the strictest parents.
We still do, no?
Yeah, we still
somewhere.
do, yeah.
But you got married, so it's kind of like on age.
Yeah.
But mine are still the same. Hi, mommy, daddy. I know you're going to see it. Oh shit. But yeah.
That's true.
I know. Face it. I mean, my parents have to face it more than me.
Yeah, they have to. It's high time.
Yeah. So I was always spoiled. So nobody had to spoil me. I was just born with it, I guess. My father was a rebel, so I feel like I just
Oh, yeah,
inherited
got
that
nature.
rebel. Yeah.
It's kind of funny, that now that I'm a parent, we know our bad habits are when we see them in our kids, we can't accept it. But I don't think that should be, they get the good and the bad.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true.
See, I never liked that my dad was a workaholic, but then I am a workaholic. When I was working, I was a workaholic. So I need to accept that.
So it's just the Grinch look is coming. So now I'm just going to take. This is another MAC palette, and I need something completely. See, my eyeshadow brushes have other eyeshadows in it right now.
So a quick cleanup.
Yeah.
And we also have to remember one extended member of the Miss Nashima, who is also a stylist now.
Oh yes, hi Nashima. She's a stylist and she's a makeup artist too.
Yes,
I've
yes,
seen
she's-
her
yeah.
video. That's really nice. So
So-
yeah, people go follow her also, and all her people, please follow me also.
So we can do an exchange offer.
Yeah. Ooh, this is coming together nicely. Just that there's fallout. I'm so stupid that I did my base first. But what to do? Mistakes happen. We're only human.
Oh, that's okay.
I love layering like two different colors. It
Mhm.
looks very nice. Okay. I have to take the foundation brush only and just sweep it off. Oh shit, under eyes will become green. Oh no.
Oh, that's what you were talking about when they fall out.
Yeah, like it like I will touch it up again with powder. But
Okay.
oh,
Makes it difficult.
I should have. Yeah. See, now the under eyes have turned green.
again. Yeah.
This is my problem. Like, I always do the base first. I love doing the base, so I just forget about the eyes and I just do the base. Baby ko base pasand hai. Oh shit.
But I mean, that's okay because we also have to know, how to. I don't know if you do an error, how to, undo it or what's the fix. That's
Right.
okay. We'll do a fix.
Like, I put it in the wrong shadow. I'm just so, immersed in the conversation that my
Yeah.
makeup is just not happening. It's like, makeup to bas bahana hai.
हमें तो बात करना है बस.
Uh-huh. Like our never ending talks. And you know, every night in our hostel, we used to. You remember the prayer, like the
Yeah.
Heal the World? We used
Yes,
to.
yes, yes.
We used to do that every night.
Yeah, we like used to light the candle and sing that song.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Me
this
and
was-
her were so like into healing the
Yeah,
world,
healing.
and now we're like, fuck this shit.
Yeah.
Oops.
Just heal yourself.
I'm so sorry. I'm just going to stop that F word.
Like, look out for yourself, ladies, because nobody really looks after you.
Yeah, like, you know, you first look after yourself and the world can come second.
Yeah. We learned that so late. Like, we got so many hits in life, then we realized that, oh no.
Now my time will go just cleaning this up. My brush is also turned green. Wow.
Sure.
So now I'm just going to layer the concealer again.
Hide it.
Yeah. अगर तू नहीं होता तो मेरा क्या होता? Concealer जा. Concealer जी. Look up. Like. Yeah. And then I'll again have to cover it up with powder. Yeah, the green has kind of reduced.
Okay. It's still kind of there, is it?
Yeah, it's very difficult to take that off. That's the
Oh.
reason you need to do your eyes first.
Oh.
You really need to do your eyes first. Guys, the first rule from now on, if you're doing anything to do with eyes, then you do your eyes first. Don't ever underestimate the power of fallout.
Oh.
So now I'm trying to correct it with the correcting palette.
Wow.
This is, yeah. I'm going to take the bright one to brighten the under eye. Look up. I use my fingers for it.
There's like so many things, right?
Yeah, like if I wouldn't have done this, I wouldn't need all these.
Okay.
So like if I would have just been smart, I would have saved myself so much time. Oh, no wonder my life is slow because I just realized things so late.
That's fine. At least we're trying to fix it, you know? We haven't given up.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, see? That's
So
how you
better.
fix things in life.
yeah. It's just I'm putting my finger in the wrong thing. Yeah. I touch wrong stuff all the time.
That has like so many
I know, always a double meaning thing. And you know, in hostel, I always used to tell, sexy. Used to always make fun of me like that.
And she always fantasized about being a boy because there's so many hot girls and
Oh, yeah.
Shavana used to lose her shit.
Yeah, all the time, no?
And we had the greatest like freshers party, farewell parties. They were so
Oh.
amazing, and
Yeah.
we'd all
I think
feel
all,
like,
yeah.
like the red carpet moment, and we'd all dress up for that and
Mm.
wait for it, you know, because I've never ever had that in any
Again.
other hostel, any other
Yeah.
hostel, because I've been living in hostels for quite some time, but that was the only hostel which felt like home.
Yeah, and I
It
feel like
was
all
so
the girls
fun.
were so like sisterly. They took care of each other, and
It was
yeah,
so fun and
they
like
were so caring in
Whenever-
every way.
whenever we feel sad, that's
Now
like
look.
one good memory.
Oh, there's so much dimension to the face now. I'm going to tone it down though. That's my like. The toning down will happen with the powder again. I'm going to take very little bit of powder. This Fit Me. It's not in her shade. It's 30, but little bit of powder doesn't hurt. Look up. No, look up. Look up. I'm just surprised her daughter is still like out for so long.
There are like 3 people looking after. I usually do it alone.
Yeah.
So at least for an hour, they should be able to manage, which a mother does alone, the job of an army. So that's fine.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. So now I'm just going to take where's that correcting palette again? I'm always losing this.
That's fine. It's a new place and there are a lot of stuff here. Like, and I have no clue what is called what, so I can't help her because
Yeah, I'm trying to keep it really like simple, but simple and me just doesn't work. Huh? I found it. Dug my fingers into it. It's okay. So yeah, all these nice hostel people. And tell me about your pregnancy. You got pregnant when you had Kerala floods.
Yeah.
How did you deal with that?
I mean, the floods never really got me worried. I was quite okay. But
I have
yeah,
to take a smaller box for this.
that time I was like into yoga. There's a very nice Lara Datta yoga series, for pregnancy, which I followed, and I think that quite helped me to my mind, my body. So I was quite composed during then. Then I realized, that
The power
being
of
fit,
yoga.
yeah, the power of yoga, and it's so important to stay fit when you're pregnant. Usually now, when a girl gets pregnant, they're so discouraged. People make her so scared from doing
Look
anything.
into the camera.
But you need to be
Ooh.
active.
You can see the difference. Hmm. And you didn't put on weight or anything?
There's a slight weight that everybody puts on that's normal. But then if you're active when you're pregnant, then after your delivery, you kind of like shed that weight very fast. I mean, that might sound weird, but then it really helps. If you're active when you're pregnant, then you shed that weight off so fast.
And your daughter is so cute also. Even Anne, like I see her pictures, she looks
Anne is
stunning.
amazing. Anne
Yeah.
is like aging backwards. I was
Yeah.
like, dude, how can I do that too?
Yeah, she's so stunning. Like she has 2 children.
Yeah, two amazing looking
Pretty
daughters.
ones,
so
like very pretty, yeah.
And she looks amazing, and I feel like every year she's getting younger, and her body, her figure looks amazing.
Yeah. And you have to tell what's your secret, okay?
And yeah, please,
You can't
we need it
keep it to yourself.
all the time.
Yeah, look there. I think it's really nice. Do you want some kajal with it?
Sure.
Yeah,
But I have to
okay.
grab my kajal.
Yeah.
Okay,
like,
so I'll come
we
back.
grab the kajal. Yeah, and I'm going to apply it on her.
I wonder how many people are still with us, because there's a long video.
I don't know. Maybe just the people who we know will watch.
Correct.
They'll be like, "Hi, hostel ke kahani." Sun ke na, like they will be reminiscing, and I hope Miss Monica watches it. We miss you a lot. You are one hell of a woman. I till today think about her and think back in the day she got married by 40.
Yeah, that was cool.
And she was
So
one
cool.
entrepreneur,
Yeah.
one iron lady that
She used to
was
carry
around.
vegetables in that rucksack and drive that scooty. What do you call that kind of
And she
scooty?
managed a hostel full of girls.
Yeah.
Okay, at that time.
And
like a mother. Like she was
she was tough
loving,
on you,
caring.
but also so
Yeah.
loving and caring.
Yeah. And she was naughty as well. She
And-
did everything with us.
And she knew what we were going through, because she was also like, what to tell, notorious during her days. She was like, oh, given, like, I've done what you've done, and like I've reached this stage where like
And
don't do
constantly
things-
giving us
that
examples.
things that because she told so openly that when she was studying in Delhi, she used to like love riding bikes and like race with the boys and all that stuff on bikes, and she used to smoke and all that, and at that stage she thought like, oh, smoking was so cool, and like I felt so hip,
Yeah, and she would tell the real
reality
reality
she didn't
of
try to
life.
cover up that I didn't do all this, or
But she was like, I did all of this and I regret it, and I don't want
now
that.
I realize at this age I realized that was wrong, like,
And what effects it had
Yeah.
on me and everything. The top one you want to do? Like, do you line your top?
I don't do anything usually, so.
Yeah, look up. I need your eyes to be open.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is the.
Oh, that's difficult. Whoa, how do you get this done?
It has like I'm also scared to do that, but it's called tight lining the upper lip.
Wow,
But
that's something.
yeah. Oh, eyes watering.
Smoke.
Yeah. So do you want me to do the other eye or wait for some time?
I think we can do it, because we don't have. I don't know when the next interruption will
Happen.
Yeah. So.
Or else we'll do the other eye, and we did the kajal, and it was quite a task. Some people basically, because it is tough to get into the eyes and mascara, these are the things makeup artists always face problem with. Eyelashes, eyeliner and kohl, like that
top
is
part. Like,
yeah.
I've never done that before. Yeah.
Huh.
So it's
So
something
now
really
I'm
new.
again taking a shimmery black thing just for the corners of the eye. And I'm highly regretting the fact that I did the eyes last. Yeah.
It's good that I'm wearing something green so it goes along.
Yeah, I know. It's just like a little smoke on the outside of the eyes. Come here. I really should have done the eyes and
That's okay.
yeah. I'm doing the grayish one because I want a little gradient. And then now I'll touch the black. Black is very pigmented, so I'm just going to keep it like really minimal. So with the gray, it's easier to blend the black and it looks more gradient. Sorry if I'm coming in the way of the camera, but I don't know any other way to do it. And I'm sure you can see my bald spot too. So enjoy it while it lasts. बाद में बाल ही ना बचेंगे. Oh shit! Again, I might have to use the concealer.
Oops. What was that?
My light. Okay, guys.
Technical
Hold,
issues.
yeah,
Hold
we
on.
have the little Abby back in the room, so it's going to be a little problematic. I'm going to do her eyebrows with this, so we'll have to quicken things up. Yeah, so after this, if you hear only music, sorry. Yeah, we are trying to fasten it up because of the kid. I'm doing her eyebrows. I don't like it too loud, so I'm just like.
Okay, guys, from here I'll do a small little voiceover because her little Abby kept coming into the room and we were not able to continue talking like before. So, as you can see, I completed the rest of her makeup with her eyebrows, lashes, that is, I'm applying some mascara, a blush, and then I go ahead and apply some highlighter. Of course, it's never complete without a highlight. And then I do some setting spray and lipstick. Lipstick is from My Glam. I will mention the shade name below. Some setting spray after this and
Ta-da!
So the final bye-bye, the final look, because my daughter is out of control now. So we just have to wrap
Thank
it
you guys for
Thank
actually
you.
watching, and everybody who we mentioned.
up. Share.
You're watching.
Subscribe.
Like, subscribe,
Watch
and
till the end.
yes, please. Thank you, and
See
please
you
buy
again.
my partner repellent. Where is the bottle?
Oh, my daughter didn't take it. Okay.
Yeah, no. Of course, she didn't take it. Yeah, please buy my partner repellent. It's actually very nice, and the review is also from her. She looks so beautiful. I love it. So structured. Yeah, perfect and glowy. Like really beautiful.
The makeover that your mom needed. Look at me. Check me out.
Yeah, and her sister was like, I also want. Like, not sister, daughter. Yeah, I also want. She's like, I also want. And she was like, let her grow. You know, you grow up.
You just turn two, like wait a little longer.
Yes, it's in a girl's blood. So take care, guys. Bye bye. Lots of love. Mwah. Bye.